Hi there guys, so today I am going to bring you a video of the Anker SoundCore Bluetooth speaker. I have already unboxed this, but I kind of put everything back in its box as it was when I got it. I've had it for about 2 days now and it retails for £29.99 and I got it from Amazon, so if you would like to check it out at any point, I'll leave the product link in the description, but we are going to unbox it now. So yeah, you just pull that like that and unbox it. And it says the choice of 10 million plus happy users. So it's industry leading technology. It's got a fan favourite 18-month warranty, and apparently Anker are very good with their warranty and customer service. So if it breaks at any point, apparently they're really good with getting this replaced. And 99% positive feedback apparently. And thank you for choosing Anker. So inside the box you are greeted with this little booklet that's like, so if you're happy it tells you to like give some feedback, tell your friends. So, and if you're not happy, it also asks you to contact the customer service, which as I said are apparently really good with Anker. So that's presented on the top, and also you get the welcome guide, which is just a manual with everything on it. So I'm guessing this just tells you everything about the product, and we don't really need to look at that because, yeah. So, further in the box, obviously we get the package with the Bluetooth speaker inside. As I say, this is the first generation one. There is a second generation one, but this is the first gen at £29.99. On the top you can see it's got the power button, the volume down, play and pause, plus volume, and the Bluetooth button. This speaker does also have a 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone and a micro USB for charging. So yeah, that's the speaker. Looks pretty nice, quite small, as you can see that's my hand. So it's quite a very portable size. What else is in the box? Wait a second, so if I take that box out, and then the charger's just here. So yep, in here is just a micro USB to charge it. It doesn't come with a wall adapter, but obviously you've probably already got one with your phone, or you could just plug it into your laptop or something like that. So yeah, that's to charge it. Anker claim that on a single charge, this battery lasts up to 24 hours of continuous playtime. So that's basically like a week's worth of playing music. So that's pretty good. So yeah, I've not really tested it out that much, but the battery seems to be good so far. I've never really had to charge it yet. So now I am going to turn the speaker on just by pressing the power on. It makes that sound, which lets you know that the speaker is turned on. So I'm just going to pair my phone to this speaker by going to settings, Bluetooth and Anker SoundCore. And I'm going to play some music, some Kate Anita, who is a very nice country singer, so I'll let you know how that sounds. A song called Listen. So we've heard some of that. Now I'll put on something a bit more bassy and upbeat. So this song is called Drink Talk and it's by Don't Look Now, and it's a remix by Clippo, and this is a really kind of bassy, kind of clubby song. So you can just listen to what this sounds like on the Anker speaker. Turn it up. You probably won't be able to tell from the audio on this video because I'm using my Canon G7X camera audio, so it's probably not the best quality, but coming from someone that's never really had a portable speaker before, this is like really good quality in my opinion, and the bass is really good. It's not as good as the SoundCore 2, which is also available for an extra £10, but I just thought for me I didn't really need the second generation one, which is also water resistant and has a deeper bass, but apart from that I think the specs are exactly the same. So yeah, that's just been my little unboxing and review of the Anker SoundCore Bluetooth speaker. I definitely would recommend this for £30. I don't think you'd really find anything better in its price bracket. They've got really good renowned customer service, and so far I've been really impressed with this product. So if you are inclined to buy one of these, just check down in the description and purchase one through Amazon or wherever else you can find one. So yeah, cheers for watching.